Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back. Yanaratswela ka topic ya rona ya magnetism. Ra go lebella magnetic properties of steel and iron. That is soft and hard magnetic materials. Both iron and steel can be induced to form magnets. Lebella experiment number 1. One pole and then the other pole is here. Hari ra touch the iron nails. Paper clips again. Get steel. Get steel. This is steel. Get steel. Yes. Yang sesira halang hara bona hore induced magnetism. Ora riena ya ka ne re wile khantela hore ye haile north yena south north akere go attractive so since or in opposite poles opposite poles ya no ha se sira halang ke gore ra bona re go attach se ga ya touch ga 1 2 3 4 ha 1 2 3 4 5 me anong har ka tshwara niye han this iron le ha be re tshwara be re detacha the magnet re ntsha magnet re tshwara re bona go ira galase di pins di pikiritse ke di pikira ke iron nails di pikiritse da wa almost all the nails they just fall off be go sala go tse pedi hela ke ra go sala few a go na tse sala but mostly ya go collapse tsote but paper clips selling gore it's made of steel ra go bona ntse ke sala ke le yintsi ke ga ra ke 1 2 ha re supile 1 2 3 4 ntse ke 4 all of them they are still attached o tshwere ha wena o tshwere ha o tshwere zero magnet ora gore the induced magnetism remains most of it remains it loses almost all of it. All of what? Induced magnetism. Induced magnetism, you lose a whole thing, almost everything. You retain everything. So, ena is magnetized by it's induced. Induced magnetism at the right. A permanent magnet. The behavior like permanent magnet. That is not a magnet. So, it's magnetized permanently. This one it behaves only like a magnet. I sense a communicate magnet. Aren't a magnet it's a ion yamala zero magnetism when the chain of ions is removed from the magnet, it will collapse. Collapse induced to this magnet. When the chain of the steel paper clips is removed from the magnet, the clips will retain attached to each other. They're still retained. So they retain their magnetism. These indicate that magnetism induced in iron is temporary, while magnetism induced in steel is permanent. Experiment number 2 in Sileonea, the properties of steel and iron, which is soft and hard magnetic materials. Well, experiment number 2, here is a bar magnet, recipient not pole hela, berata iron, ionic ye hagisate, hakenot south not moki steel, berirai, beritsenya money and iron filing can respond like iron filings rabona re tse dintsang di dintsi more less what? Ion filings. So we have more ion filings, less ion filings. Mena re tibiste ka go tshwana gore a rena e na magnetized ka pela na strong gape magnetism wa teng ke gone ya touchitse more ion filings. High magnetized the thata a re bona ra re ntsha magnet go diragala ba magnet removed iron very lona di ion filings swanyela mo go nna na ke sa thola ke attract ga ke sa thola ke le magnet a bona ra gona di pole ga ke sa thola ke le magnet la itse rona ke ntse ke se magnet from the word go ke gore la ne ke iriwa ke gore ne ke khumile magnet yana di ion filings di dira eng ja thothraga tsotlhe bja still most still go iragala still sa re nya lona fiunyana ba ne le kgonne go taga go nna from here ra re tatswela re ntse re le mmogo re le itsala kind of I get so re removile the bar magnet the iron filings ke tse ntse teng ka gore mo ke ntse ke magnet ka gore ke south ke north gore this one retains its magnetism, this one loses all of it. Okay, ya no gone ha ke gone mo gore tisa mo gore more soft magnetic material le hard magnetic material mo ke soft thing soft mo ke hard magnetic material. So a soft magnetic material is easily magnetized and also is easily demagnetized. This one is hard to magnetize and also hard to demagnetize. Gore ye go ira magnet go mothofu ya ka wona ile ro ba mo be attract go le gontsi mara ile re ntsha gape be wa ilusa gape gore go na ga nna mothofu re iro re ne magnet o strong ile re ntsha mo be go nna mothofu gape gore re iluse all the magnetism. This one in le bodipa e sa batle go attract nya iron filings tse dintsi ka gore a se magnetism all in strong all mo go yone still again me ile re ntsha magnet gore nyana go ne mo go nyane mo ke go tsere ke sala ka go. So hard to magnetize, hard to demagnetize. So soft magnetic material and hard magnetic material. Okay. So this is what we are saying here. More filings stick to the soft ion. Okay. More filings stick to the soft ion. So the induced magnetism in ion is slightly greater. Okay. When the strips are detached, the strips iron strip, steel strips. So when the strips are detached from the magnet, most of the filings fall from the soft ion. Most of them, almost all of them, they fall off from the soft ion, but few fall from the steel. This shows that the induced magnetism in soft ion is temporary. Sincerely more magnetic. But magnetism induced in steel is permanent. Guys. So in conclusion, steel is a hard magnetic material. Steel again is a hard magnetic material. That is, it is very hard to magnetize steel, but once magnetized, steel will not lose its magnetism easily. Hard to magnetize, hard to demagnetize. Go thata go magnetize gape go thata go ile steel se latagele ke magnetism. Iron yone ke soft magnetic material. That is, iron can be magnetized easily, but it will lose its magnetism easily. Gore go motho go magnetize go motho go ira gore lose that magnetism. Ke sone se se buiwang ka di properties of steel and iron. Yana ke potso tsa rona ja gota je botsa gore for permanent magnet o dirisa eng, iron or steel. Ke permanent, ke permanent magnet Hard still is permanent. Yena is temporary. But sensory still. Then for electromagnets, and saying like it's an electromagnet. What I would do electromagnet kana ke magnet will behave like a magnet only when the current is flowing. That is super compelling. So Harare, it's not a permanent magnet, or it's a temporary magnet. So in that case, saying ion. Ke go bolela ruru dipotso ja go tayentse mo transformera nenyane ya teng go na le gore go a demagnetize ga magnetize ga demagnetize ga magnetize wa ke so ra go choose ion ka gore ra go nna re ntse re magnetize re demagnetize actually 50 times in 1 second. So have 50 more second in year 1. Relay magnetize demagnetize 50 in 1 second. So that's why we choose ion. That are we are so on ra we itse gore ke potso hantsi ke botsa gore a wa go irisa steel kana ion o bo ipotsa gore a me magnet yu kwa senela ruri kana go change eta ina magnet khandle se magnet khandle gore so go no tshwantse re bo khona gore ka khona go tlhoka gore wa go tsa steel kana ion. Okay, so are we leveling the next nenyane. Well, the use the magnet, I get permanent magnets. The permanent magnet they are used in construction of electric motors. Electric motor ke o iso re go na le motlakase teng. Ra utlwa go nna le motlakase teng o bona go na le motion ke eng kana movement. Re bua ka tse di tshwanang bo di fan yana ke re fan ya dikologa o bona fan dikologana go ra re go na le electric motor ke eng gape mo gongwe mo go dikologang di dintsi dio tse di ka dikologang a kere go ra ela ka bona motlakase irisitse wa bona sengwe se dikologa o bo itse gore la ile one cassette di radio tsa bogona di dirisa di cassette la ile tsene di record a kere ke gone a me go video ya record so ne disk tsa bogologolo tsene go letswa ka tsone no bona go dikologa ke re kana cassette a ke re itse re ne dikologa ya o bona go dikologa ya land is motor moti a ke bere nna le bicycle dynamos ke one mo go ata be go dikologa go na le permanent magnet le gona mo electric motor go na le permanent magnet electric dynamo go na le permanent magnet di generator go na le permanent magnet loudspeaker ebile se kana ithela re tshameka ka tsone di magnet tsa teng mo dipikare di headphone kana tsa gago ka di bula mo tota ithela go ntse go na le magnet mo teng a ke electricity meters microphones and can also be used in as door catches like go tswala le batla fridge ana gore le batile tele le nne le tsetse tightly a ke go dirisiwa a permanent magnet ya mo ha tota o bona generator le yone dynamo le yone electric motor gore tota nka go ha hinti yana ke go bolelela gongwe le gongwe go hetiwa motlakase teng go irisiwa magnet full stop gongwe le gongwe go hetiwa motlakase teng o leng gore kono distribute one go national yana iseng wa mo khonela o bereka mo nenyane one ke ra motlakase lo o leng gore kwa national a ke go irisiwa ngela o no thola o bona o tswa go ga lona wa go ntsi o mongwe o tswa kae go morupule kae kana le kae irisa me hala go irisiwa magnet permanent magnet motlakase kono o irwa ke magnet tata re supa go pele gore motlakase o irwa ya a ntse re bua ka motlakase ya no re tseneletse uses of permanent magnets are leveling electromagnets ya no electromagnets ke electromagnet. What is an electromagnet? Okay, this is a temporary magnet made by winding a coil of wire around a soft iron core. Okay, soft iron bar, and a soft iron core. Okay, kioni. So, ra gore ha re na leng power source mo ke switch, of course. So ke yone electromagnet yone. Okay. The soft ion will only be magnetized when current flows through the coil. When current flows through the what? The coil. When there is no current flowing, the soft ion will lose its magnetism. Okay. Uses of electromagnet. Electromagnets are used in cranes to separate metals in scrap yards or for lifting heavy magnetic material at delivery points, e.g. seaports. They are also used to make magnetic relays. Scrap yarding by Gayan. Can honor Muto, we restrict crane again, we cannot contain a right to lead you. So, that's lead. Hello, we saw Ukuka answer here from point A, away Kukayana, away Vamo B. Has a number B, who switch off more electromagnetic. Has switch off. Homosons or lose magnetism. Ionations or hearing, yes, a sharing colloid, lose magnetism. I lose magnetism, rare, irrelease in colloid, since he will have a can I call it a essentially, a super colloid. Yo, I'm very bad at drawing, trust me. But I'm trying. The good thing is I am trying. So I will release. I release some so no it loses. So it loses its magnetism. It loses its magnetism. Hanesa lusa ina go like a koloi gape be go like yone. Ha rene ka irisa stale. So right tumela gore nya la bona koloi e go kometse a motlakase re o switcha koloi e tabe sa laileha be re khona go emelisa disarm be ra go tsaya ngwe gape re ba gone ha re tsaya ngwe gape re ba ha o ka irisa stale he da go tsena ha o switcha off nya koloi be sa laintse go kometse so you don't want that. You don't want that. Yang ngwe ke ile yone ke bell ke electric bell re ka irisa yone electromagnet a bona re bontsa so ra ra o tobeditse o bele tabelela go pele kwa ra go ithuta gore be re ka yang yone electric belling. So that's it. Tabe e rina gone ha o switch off ra re motlakase ha o flow ha motlakase sa flow go mo a isa tola ile magnet go lose all its magnetism bele be sa tholela. Okay. So thank you guys. That's all about magnetism. Ra a few questions tse leng gore ke tsone tse tabeng e go bulela tsela gore yanong o practice o le nosi go dirisa di exam questions. So thank you guys.